The Wobbly Wand. A shiny stick with a buttony top fell from the sky. Boink! Hunny-Wunny picked it up. What is this thing? Just then, a flustered bug in a sparkly cape flapped down. "That's my wand," he huffed. "It's broken!" He pressed the button. Instead of sparkles, it burped. Hunny-Wunny burst out laughing. Together, they tinkered with petals and pebbles. Crunch brought sticky sap and Buzzle added flower dust. With a little shake, zing! It worked! A shower of glitter twinkled through the air. "Thank you, Assistant Bug," the magician bowed. Hunny-Wunny giggled. "Anytime, but maybe no more burping wands."